Quick tip for today is talking about paint disposal. Extra paint is super tough to get rid of these days. Disposing it down the drain or in the trash, it's really not an option. Not only does it pose environmental problems, but when you throw paint cans in the trash and the trash truck crushes it and then it spills paint all the way down the street, then you got to deal with that. So here's an easy disposal tip. You basically dry it and throw it away. Paint can be disposed of if you put it in the trash dry. And what I use is I just use some kitty litter, and for large quantities of paint I might mix it in a 5-gallon bucket, but it's a 50-50 mix. So this is about a third of the can, and basically you pour the kitty litter in and you just stir it up until it becomes kind of an oatmeal-like consistency, to the point that it won't spill out. Basically from that point you allow that to dry for about an hour. And it will dry, it'll harden up like cement. Once dry, you can throw it in the trash. And my advice is, if you do throw it in the trash, just leave the lid off, so the trash collectors can see that there's no liquid paint in there, because they won't take it if they think there is. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the tip. I'll see you next week. Take care.